So I did some dodgy shit and I had to... Oscar, do you have that bolt?
Yeah.
Chuck it here for a minute. Long story short, I had to chop the fuck out of it. So airbag does those boys. And then there's wires down there which I haven't looked at, which you gotta unplug. So BRB, my neighbour, you know. So yeah, yeah. Get a, I think it's a 22. And a breaker bar. Because your boy just got the airbag off. Is it a 22? It's many smaller. Probably like a 20 something else. Or a 19. I think it's a 19. Let's try with a 19 and then realise actually a 21. Well, guess what?
Cool.
My cat's breath smells like cat's food.
That's so good.
Yay! You wanna hold my phone while I take the breaker bar out of my asshole?
Yeah, am I filming?
Yeah. And
This is so professional, people.
I know, right? Crack that bitch loose.
You bumped me, Brandon.
Oh no.
I know, it was pretty sad. Still doesn't fit.
No, it fits. It's just still tight, so
Hate it when they're tight.
I don't. Tight means it's on properly. Daddy. And now the wrestle begins. I got sweat in my eye.
That would help.
Ah! There's something else from a clock spring.
More. Hold that. It looks like...
There's another plug.
You got it?
I forgot the other plug. And now the steering wheel is off. Fucking steer me, Daddy! Ah! It is so fucking hot.
It really is though. Like, it really is.
It's the wrong way around. So this is the most autistic video ever. This is a clock spring. Something airbags. I don't quite know what it does, but that doesn't matter because you don't need it.
Airbags just add weight.
Yeah. Truck's that other steering wheel. And then... Yay! Manual steering wheel. Alright, so with the new wheel, it's on there, splined on. Put your, what is it, a 19? I think it's a 19 mil nut. That's your airbag and I think paddle shifter because it's auto originally. So steering wheel's only going to be on there loose and for temporary reasons because nutty is life. But Oscar had an amazing idea to work on cars today.
Go on a 7-Eleven to get slushies.
So that's what we're going to do. To 7-Eleven! I have our 7-Eleven monies. The regret. Nice wing. What's that off?
Definitely not off the Skyline. Or that car at all.
Oh, there's $1 down there.
Holy shit, we can get 7 slushies now.
Fap it, boy.
Drive the world's sluggiest car.
AU Falcon.
That's here.
I know, but it's gonna have some AU parts in the next video.
It's got Skyline and AU parts.
Yes. So much drone.
Why is everything's gotta be blocked off?
Welcome to Newcastle.
Bullshit.
Fucking see you. 7-Eleven.
Fuck yeah.
7-Eleven. I'm gonna spend $2 hairs.
Dude, slushies are only $1 though.
But you can get 2.
Touche.
Unless they've got red frogs. If they've got red frogs for $1, I'm getting red frogs.
Fair enough.
The excitement is real. Wow, petrol's cheap.
It is fucking cheap. Did not hit the gutter then.
I think your rim would say a different story.
My rim can fuck off.
Nice. It'll give you a new rim job. Petrol.
Let's do an easy park so it doesn't look like I can't drive in real life.
You can drive when there's dirt.
That's about it. Alrighty, Riley.
Okay guys, Frankie McDonald here. Guy opens car door at once. Oh wow, it's fucking hot in here. Jesus. It's on. Is it tight? No. But let's just tighten it a tiny bit more. All one-handed. Yeah, I'm gonna call that tight. It's not actually tight, but it's close enough for now. Just so the steering wheel's on there, and then find an airbag. That one will do. And then put that on there. All one-handed like an absolute sped. Your boy got it on. Noot, noot, noot. That's how you do a steering wheel. Yes. Alright, Ugga fans. That one up there, you're going to need a uni joint. Yes, and it also is a 14. So now, my headlight is falling out. It'll be fine. JDM life. Let's get cutting. Wear a shirt and safety glasses, you're going to want to. Alright, neighborinos. It's stopping time. That white line, I can't really record it because I'm on my phone, but Oscar, I need you to video.
There we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, I'm gonna put you on mute. I'm on the phone. Lol.
Wait. That's my ear holes. Okay, I'm good now.
Okay.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's still going. Yeah.